And Peter, let me just jump right in and ask you, what's your perception of the forum this year?
It's the energy level and the exchange of valuable ideas has just been thrilling. And the fact is that the solution providers have great visions and great capabilities, and they're delivering value. And yet there's also a set of challenges that the end user communities are trying to meet. And there's always going to be a gap between where we are and where we want to get to as far as being a solution provider and leveraging all the value among the user community. So keeping it real is just such a great theme in the sessions that I was in, both the ones that I conducted as well as ones I attended from other ARC analysts.